Hello students, this video is the continuation of exercise 1.2 from chapter 1, page number 14. So 16th question, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Okay, so this answer also we have to solve like a algebraic expression, we have to find out A, D, then we have to find out the AP. Okay, so what and all we have the given data. Third term is A3 is 16. Okay, then that in algebraic expression how to represent it. Write the formula, put the value of A3, that is 16. Okay, so n minus 1. So in that place we are going to write 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you will get 2D. It is given that 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12, which means A7 minus A5 equal to 12. Okay, A7 minus A5 equal to 12. So you have to put the formula for A7 and A5. Okay, so A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Okay, in place of A7 you are going to put the formula for A7. Okay, then A5 also similarly you have to write. Then after that simplify. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6D you will get. Then 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So 4D you will get. So in between these two terms you are having minus. So plus A minus A. So those A will get cancelled. Okay. So 6D minus 4D equal to 2D. So 2D equal to 12. So in order to get D, you will bring the 2 to the other side of equal to. So it will be 12 by 2 equal to 6. So we got the value of D now. We want A. Okay, put the value of D in the equation 1. Okay, you will get value of A. So A plus 2D equal to 16, no? So A plus 2 into 6 equal to 16. So 2 into 6 is 12. So 12, take it to that side of equal to, it will be 16 minus 12 equal to 4. Okay, so we got value of A also, D also. Now we have to find out the AP. So how to find out? A is 4, no? So difference is 6. So you have to increase by 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. This is the AP which is required. Okay. 17th question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Okay, AP is given. From the last you have to find out the 20th term. So the simple way to find out is reverse the AP. Okay. So reverse after reversing you will get 253 as a first term. Okay. So difference is 5, no? So it will be in the minus order. So it will be in the decreasing order. Okay. So A equal to 253, N is equal to 20, because from the last only we want the 20th term. So N is equal to 20. Common difference is minus 5. So the new AP which we found out now, for that the differences will be in the minus. Okay, so take the formula, put the values in the formula, substitute it. So 20th term is equal to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. Okay, 19 into minus 5 is minus 95. So 253 minus 95 is equal to 158. So the value of 20th term is 158. Okay. 18th question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. Okay, this also like algebra only you have to solve. Okay, so we know that sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. So put it like a formula. Okay, so A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Okay, so A4 is equal to A plus 3D. This plus 8th term. So that also in the form of algebraic expression only you have to write. Okay, so 8th term, 6th term, 10th term, everything you have to write in the form of algebraic expression. Then it's already given in the question, 4th term plus 8th term. So a4 plus a8 is equal to 24. So what is a4? Substitute that value. What is a8? Substitute that value. You will get another one expression, 2a equal to 2a plus 10d equal to 24. Okay, so all multiples of 2 is there, so whole equation you divide by 2, so you will get a plus 5d equal to 12. This is the first equation. Okay, so one more we are having 6th term plus 10th term equal to 44. Okay, same way you have to substitute a6 and a10. So after simplifying you will get the second equation as a plus 7d equal to 22. Okay, so these two you have to subtract and get the value of d and a. Okay, so a plus 7d minus a plus 5d. So plus a minus a, it will get cancelled. For 7d minus 5d equal to 2d. 2d is equal to 10 because 22 minus 12 equal to 10, no? So 2d equal to 10. So d equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. So d value we got. Substituting this in equation 1, you will get a value. So a plus 5d is equal to 12. So in place of d, substitute 5. So a plus 5 into 5 equal to 25. So a plus 25 equal to 12. So taking 25 to that side of equation, so it will be a is equal to 12 minus 25 equal to 13, minus 13. A equal to minus 13. So we have to find out the first three terms of the AP. So a first term we already know. Then a2, a3 we have to find out. Put those in a and d value in the expression, you will get the answer. So it is minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. This is the answer. Moving to the next question. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, so he is starting his career with 5,000 as salary and annual income of 200. We have to find out which year he will get 7,000. So 7,000 is the nth term. We have to find out n. In simple way we can say like that. And common difference is 200. Correct? So a is 500, common difference is 200. Sorry, a is 5,000, common difference is 200, and nth term is 7,000. We have to find out n. Okay, put everything in the formula. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200. So 200 into n minus 1 equal to 2,000. By solving this, you will get n is equal to 11. So this means after 11th year, in the 11th year, he will get salary of rupees 7,000. This is the answer. Then next question. Ramakali received rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75, find n. It's very similar to the previous problem. Here also the first term is 5 because she is starting with 5 rupees and common difference is 1.75. That's what she is increasing, correct? So that's the common difference. Then an is 20.75. So fine, after nth week she is getting 20.75 rupees. So we have to find out what is n. Okay, so putting this in the formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So it will be 20.75 equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75. So 5 we will take to that side of the equal to, it will be 15.75 equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So bringing 1.75 to that side of the equal to, it will be 15.75 divided by 1.75. So that is equal to 63 by 7. Okay, we are removing the decimal points, that is what in the previous step. If you simplify, it is 63 by 7. So n minus 1 equal to 63 by 7 equal to 9. So n we want, so bring the minus 1 to this side of equal to, it will be 9 plus 1 equal to 10. So our answer is 10. In 10th week she will get rupees 20.75 as her savings. This is the answer. So that's all for this video. Thank you.